Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am. Shall I start, ma'am?
Yeah, sir, you can start now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Good evening, my dear students. You are all are warm. Welcome to the wonderful session of the questionnaire session. Today, we are going to discuss about the remaining part of the questions. Already we saw it 50 questions, my dear, isn't it? We started from the 51. So yesterday also we saw it, this one. A blubber is found in... Blubber is nothing but the one of the, what is that? Chemical compounds mostly found in where, it is made up of fat. Okay. So which one is, it has a adipose tissues. Adipose tissues. Adipose tissues. Okay. The adipose tissues, what happened, normally the fats are stored in the adipose tissues in kidney and brain and so and so. Okay. But particularly in skin also. Which of the following, okay, the fat is deposited much more than that of the other animals? Already told you, whale is the correct option. Already, it is mostly found in sea, isn't it? Sea water will contain salty nature. Okay, salty nature. Okay, so the salt, what will they do? What they will do? Erode skin, irritation, so and so. It will be, isn't it? That's why what happened, the whale deposited on his fat on their skin. So what it can be escaped from this situation. Salty soil. At the same time, what happened? It is also used as a, what is that? Lubricants. Lubricants. It acts as a lubricants. Which one? A blubber is also act as a lubricants. Mostly obtained from the whale skins. Okay, so this is a very highly expensive, highly, what is a profitable tool. Okay, the correct option is whale is the correct answer. Remaining, it will not come immediate. This is desert. This is also sheep, rat. They will not come. So the whale is the correct option. Okay, see, the blubber is a thick layer of the fat, also called as adipose tissues, directly under the skin of the all marine mammals. Here they have given us which one is a marine mammal? Here, whale only the marine mammal, isn't it? Isn't it? So the blubber cover the entire body of the animal, such as seal, whale, and walruses. Sometimes they may give instead of whales, they may give seals. Sometimes it's both of these. Okay, they may give this one also. You have to keep it in your mind. These are three examples of which one blubber. Okay, don't forget, my dear. The second question is accession and reasoning. Accession and reasoning. Marasmus is produced by the simultaneously deficiency of protein and calories. Already you know about the very, very important protein deficiency. There are two types of diseases have been reported. One is called as, what is that? Marasmus, another one is called as Kavaskar. Both are protein deficiency disease due to the lack of calories and protein molecules only. So assassin is a correct one. Heavily rectified. See that it occurs when the mother's milk is replaced too early by other foods. For example, some of the mothers, they will give up to 6 months only the mother milk. They will provide 6 months. Okay. What happened instead of remaining 6 months, they will provide other milks. So as a result, what happened? The protein deficiency happened, which are poor in both protein and caloric value. Such type of foods, what happened? The lack of these molecules. So as a result, what happened? The marasmus disease also comes. So both the statement is what is that? Correct. At the same time, it is also correct explanation of the A only. So the option is A is correct, remaining is or wrong. Go to the next one. See the options. Both assertion reasons are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Okay, maybe. Go to the next one. Match the column. Just listen here. This is the normal counting of differential count of WBC. Okay, differential count of WBC only. WBC, white blood cells. They may be divided into two parts already, you know, according to their nature. One is called as granular site. Another one is called as agranular site. What is the meaning of granules? Among these, what happened? No, the granular site. What are the granular site present? You know, neutrophil, basophil, eosinophil. These three are considered is known as granular site. Granular site. Okay, because it contains the granules on their cytoplasm. For example, take an example, neutrophil. The structure will be like this, isn't it? Here, what happened? This is consistent. This is nucleus. Okay, and inside what happened, there is a space is there. Okay, the space is called as what is there, you know, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm containing, there are so many granules. Suppose presence of granules, this is called as A granule. Okay, A granule sites. And last to monocyte lymphocyte, what happened? There is absence of granule. Fully occupied only. There is no granules, absence of granules. Such type is called as this type. Okay, they asked what are the types correctly matched the hospital. First of all, you should note it down. Simple things, just to note it down. Simple thing. Neutrophils, they have given 20 to 25, isn't it, my dear? Which one is the highest concentration of neutrophil in this region, in this weight, in this value? Which one is the highest one? Neutrophil, they have given us a 60 to 65, isn't it? Exactly 60 to 75% normally neutrophil will be present in it. So first one is E. Where is the E is here? This 1, 2, 3. So this will not come automatically. The first is D is option have given. So it will not come. So option is these three only. Next one is eosinophil. Already you studied. Eosinophil is very, very important. Eosinophil mostly found in allergic patient. How much is the 0.03% is there? Less than 3, like that. 2 to 3. Just imagine 2 to 3%. So eosinophil, so 2 to 3%. So the option is D. Second one is D. Basophil, listen here. Basophil. It is also a, how much is there? Basophil is how much is there? Okay. See the 1% only. See the 1%. So D is also correct, and third one is 1%. So the option is here coming, isn't it? Option, this one is the option. The correct option is coming, you know, the B is coming, so it will not come. So the one or third only. So next option is which one? C has, so it will not come. So the option is third one. Simply calculate. Neutrophil is the first choice. How much is that? 60 to 65. Next one is lymphocytes is the second choice. 20 to 25%. Eosinophil 2 to 3%. Okay. And then fourth one, monocyte. How much is there now? 68%. Last one is called as, you know, remember, lymphocyte is the first one. Okay, Mary. So the option is C here. See, this is the normal grades. Neutrophil, this is the question pattern. This is the option. Neutrophil 50 to 70%. 50 to 70%. Where is the 50 to 70%? Neutrophil is the 60 to 70%. Eosinophil 1 to 4%. Eosinophil here given as 2 to 3%. Basophil, how much is that? 0.4 only they have given. Say here the C is directly attached. Monocyte 2 to 8%. Here given as a 6 to 8%. Lymphocytes involved but 20 to 25%. So this is the normal. So the option is third one is the correct option. Go to the next one. Osteoporosis. Note it down, my dear student. This is very, very important. NEET questions. Last 3 questions must, my dear. Last 3 questions must. What is by osteoporosis? Osteoporosis is nothing but the weak bone. What is that? It is nothing but the weak bone. Okay, my dear. Weak bone. Osteoporosis is nothing but weak. Okay. Weak bone. How it will be happen? Because due to the lack of calcium phosphate, isn't it? Calcium phosphate, PO4. So which hormone is it is related to? That is very, very important. Already I told you thyroxine. No, thyroxine is not related to the calcium related one. Parathyroid hormone is the correct option. Okay. And adrenaline, thymosin, these 3 it will not come. Just imagine OP, osteoporosis, phosphate. Okay, O, P, Q, R, S. In the alphabet, it will be like that. Don't consider this. OP is the correct option. Osteoporosis and phosphorus. Okay, my dear. See this one, how it will be related to the parathormone. The parathyroid can cause osteoporosis by making too much of PTH. Suppose when the parathyroid hormone is secreted more, that is called a hyperthyroidism. What happens? Automatically, what happens? It eventually make your body take calcium from your bone. As a result, what happens? Thinning of your bone. That is very, very important. Suppose, take an example. This is considered a bone. Okay, you are having this much, 4 to 5 centimeter like that. Imagine. When the hyperthyroid nature, hyperthyroidism, otherwise called as PTH secreted hyperactivity. As a result, what happens? It erode the calcium from your bone. Calcium. As a result, what happens? The reducing the density of the bone. So it will lead to like this. It can be easily broken. That is called as parathyroid. So hyperthyroid disease or hyperparathyroidism, the condition is called as hyperthyroidism due to the secretion of parathyroid hormone. Parathyroid hormone, it will absorb the water calcium molecule from your bone. As a result, thick bone, it will lead to thin. So it can be easily broken. You also break bones easily, a sign of bone weakness and osteoporosis. This is the conditions. Okay. See, next one. Match the column. This is also very, very important, my dear. NEET question we may expect in this year. Definitely it will come. See here, neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter is nothing but one of the acetylcholine substances. Where it present? Neurotransmitter substance is present both the neuron. In between there is a space is that space is called a synaptic cleft. Okay, synaptic cleft, isn't it? Cleft. But neurotransmitter substance where it present in the vesicles. Okay, here it will be present. So the neurotransmitter is nothing but the synaptic vesicles. Second one is neuron, isn't it? Neuron. What is the meaning of neuron? Neuron is nothing but the functional unit of which one Nerve system. So when it get a impulse, what happens? Automatically it will be cell body? No. CNS skeletal muscles? No. Neuron, myelin sheath? Just imagine. Neuron is myelin sheath? No. It excited. So one is a C. Where is the one is C? Here only. And second is E only given. So the second automatically can see it. Second one is A. And suppose if you do not know the answer of second one, third one, somatic neural system. What is the meaning of somatic neural system? Which one is a somatic neural? Cell body, somatic? Maybe confused, isn't it? And CNS skeletal muscles? Maybe. And myelin sheath? Maybe, isn't it? But skeletal muscles is also body cell, isn't it? Somatic cell. So it is a correct option. Somatic means body cell. So muscles also body cell, isn't it? CNS and skeletal muscles. So the third one is D. Where is the third one is D here? The second one. So this one is correct. So automatically fourth one B. Nissal granule present the cell body of the neuron. Cell body of the neuron. You know very well about the cell body like this. Here the nissal granule is present. Okay, automatically Schwann cell as this is the E. Schwann cell present in where, myelin sheath only. Option is correct. So the option is second one is the correct option. See the diagram, you can identify it. See this. This is the part. Okay. Soma. Here the soma, cytons. See that Schwann cell present in where, myelin sheath only. This part is myelin sheath. See here, myelin sheath is there. Okay. Synaptic terminal means both the joining of these two. This is the post, this one is the pre. Like that means this is the joining, isn't it? Synaptic. Okay, got it, my dear. For the next one. This is also very, very important. In this part, they have given us a, what is the maximum column 1, column 2, like that. See, the match of the column 1 and column 2 and select the correct options. Aplasia, note it down. Pink theta, just imagine pink theta is also related to the oyster culture. Echinus, Adamsia, just see this one is Adamsia. Adamsia is a C anemone. Okay, where is the D? The fourth one, A. Where is the fourth one, A here? This T, this one, isn't it? So automatically it will come. This is the correct option. One is C. The A plus A is C. C hearts. C hair is nothing but the C horse. Sorry. C horse. My dear. So automatic A plus A, C horse. Pink theta, pairs of oysters. Adamsia, already in our C anemone. Which one is Echinus, C urchin. So automatically the option is third one is the correct answer. Okay, go to the next one. See that one, third one is the correct answer. This one. Wall of blood vessels and the air sacs of lungs have squamous epithelium. Already know about it. Squamous epithelium mostly lining on the wall of the blood cells. Already know about. So this one is the correct option. Squamous epithelium involved in the function like forming a diffusion boundary. Yes, then only what happened? A diffusion boundary. What is it? This is considered as a wall of lungs. Here what happened? Here blood vessels also there. Blood vessels also there. Okay. It is made up of which one? Squamous epithelium. Squamous. As a result, what happened? The air is also transferred through the RBC and also bloodstream. With the process called as diffusion. By the process of with the help of the RBC molecule, it can be transferred to any part of the body. Here also there is a diffusion process also occurs. Here the oxygen concentration will be very high. CO2 concentration will be very less. Then only the oxygen it will be easily bind with the RBC. Concentration gradient is also. Then again it be carry in the target cell, and also here also the exchange takes place by the diffusion process. In this category, carbon dioxide will be very high. Oxygen molecules also high, isn't it? Oxygen is given and CO2 is taken by the RBC. Again, it will be entered into the lung and also exhaust. See the squamous epithelium involved in the functions like the forming of diffusion boundary. Yes, that is the correct answer. So the option is A is the correct one. Both assertion reasons are true. The reason is correct explanation of the assertion. Okay. Go to the next one. Both. See, this is the thigh bone. Just to see the structures. And we know very well both. Okay. Suppose if it is a hand, in this part is clinoid cavity. Okay. Which one it present in the ulna and radia? Okay, like that. Isn't it, my dear? This is the leg bone. Just imagine the upper part of the leg bone is called as what is that? Femur. C. C is femur. Where is the femur? Is that C? So these two only. The option is C. Only. So automatically, first one see that correct one. Ilium. The A is ilium. Okay. This is called as what is that? This is called as ball and joint joint. Sometimes they may give you this portion. Okay, here they have given us this part. This part is called as which one? Ilium. Second is also same. Ischium. Femur, same. Femur is same. isn't it? Okay, the complication is, where is it? No, the fourth one. The complication where it occurs, the fourth one, D part. Okay. What about the D? What about the E? Here the changes, isn't it? Here the changes. The first one is called, which one is tibia? First is T, second one is F. First one is T and second one is F. This one is called as tibia. This one is called as fibula. Okay. This one is called as what? Femur. And this one already you know is cum, ischium. Okay. And ilium, I-L-I-U-M, ilium. See that? Ilium, ischium, femur, tibia, F-I. See the first letter, first two letter, I-I, I-S, F-U, F-E, sorry, F-E, T-I, F-I. All are. See the structure, you can easily edit. So you can come to the conclusion which one is the correct answer. Second one is the correct answer. See, this is the question option. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. This is called a skip joint. Skip joint is a ball and jacket joint. So these are bone is called as femur. Which one is the bone? C is the bone. C is the bone. Okay, C. This one is C. This joint is called as, what is that? Already we saw it, ilium. Okay, this joint of this one is called ischium. Okay, see here, this is called as partel. This is the knee bone. This is part of partel. Sometimes they may ask the question patella. Okay, this is the patella. Here, fibula is first. Fibula is first. See here, femur, tibia. They ask, see that structure. Which one is the thick bone? They asked first. So, what happened? No, tibia coming first. Thick bone. This is the thick bone. This is a small bone. Small bone is called as fibula. The thick bone is called as tibia. See here they have given alternatively. So E is the last one. Okay, don't forget. Sometimes they ask the question in this part: tarsal, metatarsal, palligus. Sometimes I ask the question. This is also a neat question, my dear. Don't forget. This is angle joint, knee joint. This one, patella is a triangle shaped structure. Okay, quadrant. This is called as pelvic. Okay, hip bone. Okay, so the option is second is the correct option. Go to the next one. Identify the diagram representative of the mechanism of hormone action. Hormonal action. Just imagine endocrine gland. You know about. There are two types of hormone is also there. One is called as hormone related. Another one is also protein related one. Here the protein related one or hormone related one. Select the option which correct matching hormone A. Which hormone here are estrogen, progesterone, adrenaline, thyroxine. So adrenaline it will come. So here. And then what will be the B? Physically response. Physical response is inflammatory response. Automatically the option is which one? Third one is the correct option. Third one is the correct option. Okay. So this one. So estrogen it will not come here. Progesterone it will not. The thyroxine, adrenaline hormones. See the option. So this is the question part. This is the answer part. Estrogen has given, isn't it? Hormone example estrogen. Secreted by adrenal gland. So this is the target cell here. The physiological responses. Physiological response. B is what is that? Inflammatory response they have. Sometimes you ask the hormonal. See that here, which one you know? This it has a receptor. They do not have the receptor in the cell membrane. That is very, very important. This is called as protein hormone. This one is called as hormone. Steroid hormone. Protein hormone. This one is steroid hormone. This one is also related to steroid hormone. Steroid hormone means estrogen is a steroid hormone. Here also the adrenaline secreted by the estrogen hormones. Target inside the, which one you know? Receptor hormone complex. This one inside the nucleus. Inside the nucleus. This part inside the nucleus. Okay, media. Once again, repeat for you. Two types of hormone is related. A is protein hormone. Suppose protein hormone involved in the target cell, there is a specific receptor cell is present in the cell membrane. Okay, it receives the receptor and also response 1 and also cyclic AMP is also essential. Addition with the cyclic AMP and calcium is also bind with them. Then only it will be go to the further reaction. Then finally it reaches the physiological response in ovarian growth only. This is hormone related one, but it is a protein hormone. Okay. Second one is hormone. Here the diagram is as given, it is also similar to the hormone one. You first identify which one, whether here there is a receptor molecule present, that is protein related one. What are the requirement of this one? First of all, you should note in which hormone FSH is very, very important. Receptor, otherwise called as ovarian cell member in this one. And cyclic AMP and ovarian growth. These are the points. Sometimes they may ask. These are the questions they may give. This one is A. Okay, this one is B. This one is C. This one is D. Like that. Okay, in this part, this one and this one they asked. A and B only. Adrenaline as well as the inflammatory response. So the third option is the correct one. Put the next one. Read the following 4 A and D statements. How many statements are correct like that they asked? How many statements? See the diagram. See the options. Breathing in different animals depends on their habitat. Depends upon their habitat. Yes. It can be varied. For example, aquatic. Aquatic fish, take an example. Okay, fish. How it will be? Presence of gills only. Okay, take an example, frog. How it will be there? Moist skins as well as the lungs. It will be varying. Okay, take an example of scorpion. Book lungs. Lungs, isn't it? Animals, lungs. Isn't it? Some of them are spiracles. Okay, it may be very depends on their what is that habitat where that will be growth. That is very, very. So that's why it's correct one. Next one. Coelenterates exchange gas by their entire body surface, moist skin. Yes, it is also a correct one. It is also a statement type. All are statement only. Okay, they ask the statements only. Frog and respirate through their lungs and moist skin. Now only I show you. Now only I told you, isn't it? This is also correct. Third one is correct also. Automatic, but all are correct. Among the vertebrate fish use gills. Now only I told gills. So which one is correct one? Third one is the correct one. Third one is all are correct. All are correct. All are correct. Okay, my dear. So that is very, very important. See the options. See the 4. All are correct one. Okay. Don't forget. Read the statement question. That is very good. Look here. 61. Find out the incorrect matches. Incorrect matches. Okay. Incorrect. Just imagine. Incorrect part. Which one is the incorrect part, my dear students? See the one. This one. In our but fish-like structure, isn't it? Pyromyzo, scale absent. Here there is no scale. There is no scale means what is that? The fish is there. There is a scale is there, isn't it? Fish. It has in a scaly-like structure. This is called a scale. Scale is option. Yes, it is called as option. That side is called as pyromyzone. Okay. Third one is hippocampus. Already we studied. Hippocampus is not but seahorse. Rana hectala activities. So it is also skin is callus and the tipnum is represent the air. Here there is no air, but instead of air, what happened? There is a small protrude-like structure. This is called as what is that? Tipnum. Okay. Air-like structure, ear-like structure, but it's not a just like a human being. Just like a human being. Eustachian canal and also so and so. It will not there. Okay. So which one is a wrongly matched? This one is a wrongly matched. Other 3 are correct. See the option. Sorry. Correct one, right. Teres. Air bladder absent, but the operculum is present. This is the wrong answer. Remaining 3 are correct one. This is a diagrammatical question, my dear student. This is very, very important. Adaptation. Okay. What is it? Identify the correct option for ammonia. Ammonia. Which is correct. It is readily soluble. Yes, it can be easily soluble in water molecule. It is generally excreted by diffusion. Yes, it is diffusion process only. It can be transferred. Ammonia, where is it? Fish. That's why it is called as aminotelic. Because fish excrete in the form of ammonia. That's why it is called as what is the aminotelic animals. It diffuses across through the gill surface as a ammonium ion. Yes. So option is this one is correct. All are correct. All are correct. See this. all of this. It is readily soluble, generally excreted by diffusion. Diffuses across through the gill surface as ammonium ion because fish. Gills means already I told you, fish. All of this is the correct one. Go to the next one. In lungs, there is a definite exchange of ions between RBC and plasma. Removal of carbon dioxide from blood involves, okay, blood involves, which one is the correct option, my dear? Efflux of chlorine ions and form RB from RBC. Efflux. Okay, my dear. Okay. Next one is what is that, influx, just to imagine. Okay. Influx of Cl ion and RBC, like that they told, isn't it? An influx of HCO3, carbonate ions and RBC. 1 and 3 only, which is the correct option, my dear. A flux of Cl, sorry. Okay. Okay. See. Okay. A flux of Cl ion from RBC is also correct. Okay. Cl ions from RBC into RBC is not there. Influx of carbonic acid ions into the RBC. So it is also opposite of this one. Just imagine. So the option is 1 and 3 is the correct answer. 1 and 3 is the correct options. Efflux means eliminated. Influx means enter. Okay. Chlorine ion from the RBC, what happened? No, chlorine ion, what happened? Efflux from outside, Cl minus. HCO thrice, it's a carbonate. Enter inside. So this is the process for which one? The lungs, there is a definite exchange of ion between RBC and the plasma. They ask the RBC and the plasma, removal of CO2. Okay, my dear. From the blood involves CO2 removed means what is that? It is one of the process. By the process called which one? Efflux of Cl means automatically carbon dioxide is entered to RBC, transferred to the lungs. Okay. This is NEET question, my dear. Definitely they will ask the question. Okay. Go to the next one. See that this is 1 and 3 is the correct answers. Go to the next one. Just to see the diagram already, a little bit. This is very, very important. So many times they were asked what is meant by tubectomy, what is meant by vasectomy. Okay. Suppose take an example, vasectomy is male. Okay. This one is called as male. Tubectomy, it is called as female. Okay. So what does figure shows? See that this one is scrotal. Okay. So this part is called as what is that? Vasectomy, vasecta, recta. Okay, they cut and also tie it. Automatically, what happens? The sperm, it will not enter into the outlet. Okay, see this one. This is the part. This is called as what is the tubectomy? Fallopian tube tied and cut only for female. This one is called as male. See that the vasectomy of male, a vasectomy male sterilization is surgical procedure for cut a seal the tube that carry a man's sperm permanently prevent pregnancy. Tubectomy is also a tubal sterilization. It's a permanent method of the constipation of woman. So they showed which one This one is called as male. This one is called as female. Female tubectomy, male vasectomy. Okay. So it is very, very important. 100 times, very, very important, my dear. 100 times. 100 and 1000 times, you can imagine. In the given diagram, what is the reason for a variety of peaks? What is that? Variety of peaks. Why it happens? Just already a little bit. It is also analyzed by the name of the scientist, Gallup's Island. Okay. Gallup's Island. These are all our birds. Okay. Eaten, which one Two things. One is called as insect and another one is called as what is it? Seeds. Okay. So what happened? How it will be happen? Insect. What are the peak size? Nature. So this one is what? This one is what? This is the graduation, isn't it? When the insects, how it will be there? How it will be? Insect means they need which one Long peak or short peak? Long peak. So it needs this much. Gradually decreases when it eats the seeds. So they need nuts, very strong in nature. This is called as, what is it, adaptation, a struggle for food, adaptation, radiation, and all of this. Listen here. Food, insects and seed, that is called as food, struggle for food. Second one is adaptation. Adaptive is radiation. The peak sizes also differ, each one. There is a gradually decreases the length of the peak, isn't it? And also thickening also there. So the option is, which one is the correct answer? All of this is the correct answer. Okay, media. Go to the next one. All of this is the correct option. And given below two statements. First one, virus infected cell secrete protein called cytokinin. Yes. Okay. The first one is called as, what is that? Yes. After the virus inject, they produce the protein is called a cytokinin, which protect non-infected cell from further viral infection. This is correct. Second one, acute immune is a pathogen non-specific. No, it is a specific. So the option is which one, The statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Is the correct option. This one is the correct option. Okay, media. That is all very, very important. That is very, very important. Okay. And the next question, statement 1 is correct. Second is, see that acute immune is also called a specific immunity. There they're told non-specific, isn't it? It is not a non-specific. It is a specific, acute immune. Innate immunity is a non-specific. Innate is a non-specific. Opposite manner. Okay, go to the next one. Which element is more in amount in any living organism with respected earth crust? Okay. Which animal is more present? Okay, more present. Silicon and nitrogen? No. More amount. Living organism too, under earth. Here you have to consider as a living organism under earth. Isn't it? Silicon present in earth, living organism, silicon it will not present. Isn't it? It is wrong answer. Nitrogen, both it will be present. But silicon it is not. So silicon it will not possible. Zinc and chromium. Zinc, living organism present. Earth also present. Okay. But comparison here the low concentration, here the high concentration. Okay. All of the above it will not come. So first, second one, carbon and hydrogen. Carbohydrate, protein, lipid, all of made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So the option is second one is the carbon. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Take an examples of carbohydrate, C6H12O6, isn't it? Carbohydrate. Protein, amino acids. Take an example. Which one you know? COH and NH2. Here also R or high H. Carbon, hydrogen, isn't it? Carbon, hydrogen. And as a lipid also fatty acid only. So CHO. So this one is the correct answer. Remaining is absent, is wrong. Go to the next. See the structure. It is very, very important. Definitely asked in this year, my dear. Definitely they will ask the question in this part. They asked here A, B, C. Okay. A and B. Scala tympani, scala media, scala vestibuli. Which is the correct option, my dear? Which is the correct option? Okay. A is scala tympani. Which is A. Yes, it is a scala tympani. Okay. Snow vestibula. Scala vestibula. See the diagram, you can easily see. Which one is the correct option? The A is the correct option, my dear. A is the correct option. A and C is correct. Tympani and vestibuli. Scala media, it is not here. It will come here, center. See the diagram, you can identify. This is the question part, isn't it? A part, where is that? Scala vestibula. Okay. And second one is, they told which one, Scala mediata. See, this is a scala media. See this diagram? Scala media. What about the third one? This part. Scala tympani. Okay, madam. So you have to identify VMT. Vestibule, mediata, tympani. Vestibule, mediata, tympani. Okay. The perilimb is an extracellular fluid located within the inner ear. It is found within the scala tympani and the scala vestibuli of the cochlea. Cochlea means eye. Sorry, ear. Okay. So this is the option, my dear. This is called as what is that? Scala tympani, scala vestibula is the very, very important. Cochlea. So diagrammatic representation of the section view of the cochlea inside. Okay, my dear. So the option is which one? You know, first is the correct option. Next is very, very important, my dear. Very, very important. This is also the basic cause of twilight visions of scopotopic vision. Twilight, which gene is which pigment is responded. There are two types of pigments. One is called as rhodopsin. Another one is called as iodopsin. Rhodopsin is called as rod cell. Iodopsin is also what for color vision. Rod for what is that? Dim light. Cone for color vision, isn't it? Which one is exactly matched? Twilight vision, scopotopic vision is also responsible for the rhodopsin only. Iodopsin is not. It will not come. It will not come. It will not come. So the option is the first one. Yes, RS. No, don't it down. R and yes. Rhodopsin, scopotopic vision. S again T. So twilight vision. Note it down, my dear. This is also very, very important. Rhodopsin. The rod photoreceptor cells are specialized cells that function very well under the light condition, low light condition. This is also known as the twilight vision. Very low light condition, which one in rhodopsin? Rod cell only activate. Rod cell only activate. Cone cell it will not act. Cone cell only for color vision only. But daytime, which one, you know, light is there. Light intensity very less, you know, at the time, which one is activated? Which one is activated? Rhodopsin. Take an example of owl. Tamil we may call as andai, isn't it, my dear? So here, the dim light, what is the dark only, it can be visible. So the rhodopsin cells, rod cell, it will be more rod cell high compared than that of the human being. Then only it can be seen in the dark time. Daytime, what happen, you know? Daytime, it will be blind in nature. Okay, go to the next one. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? So incorrect statement, it means what is that? Wrong statement. Which is the wrong statement, isn't it, my dear? Wrong statement. The fovea is the thinned out portion of the retina where only cone densely packed. Cone densely packed. Here, incorrect statement. So this is the right option. Yes, cone densely packed. Next one is visual activity is greater at the blind spot. How it will be the blind spot is they told. How it will be visual activity it be the. So this is the wrong answer. Photoreceptor cell are not present at the blind spot. Yes, photoreceptor cell, it will not present the blind spot. Okay, so it is a right answer. Sorry, it is a right answer. The optic nerve leave the eyes and the retinal blood vessels enter in through the blind spot. Yes, it is also correct. So the option is which one? The second one is the visual activity is greatest at the blind spot. Blind spot, there is no visual activity. So this is the correct option. See, visual activity is greater at the blind spot is the wrong answer. Okay. The macula lacti, so and so is there, where only the cones are densely packed. Retina only. Okay, go to the next one. So this is the muscle contraction, my dear students. Okay. They ask the A part, what is that? B part, what is that? D part, what is that? Okay. A part, A band. Where is the A band? First one. The option is first only. B1 is called as what is that? H line or jet line? Jet line only is there. Okay. H line, it will not be there. So jet line. So automatically, you know what about. See, where is that? This part. This part is called as what is that? H zone. This part, H zone. Just imagine. Okay. A band. This one is called as A band. B is a jet line. This one is called a jet line. C is a H zone. Listen here, H zone. These are all, what is that? Muscles contraction, myosin, and those also. D is a I band. Okay. Jet A, I. No here. And then H zone is also M line is also comes. Just imagine that part. So the option is which one, you know? First one is the correct option. See the diagram. A, Z, H, I band. Here the B band is there, isn't it? Where is that? So this part. See, M line is also there. Okay. So Z disc. Z disc. The question is, where is that? B. Where is the B? So this one is B, isn't it? This one they mentioned. This is the structure, isn't it? This is the structure. So B, it is denoted Z disc. So B is Z line. So this one Z line. Okay. Next one is A, they have given. Which one is A? This part, this part. So it is called as A band. Okay. And the next one is C, in between this part. In this way, this part. What is that? So this is called as in this part, I band. Okay, I band. Last one is these two, the combination of these two. Which one is that? Which one is there? H zone is there. Where is the H zone? Here, see the combination of these two. These two are Z, B. Okay, these two are B, B. Center there is a, which one you know? A band is the, see that A band, center. Yes, this one also. A band is there. Okay. And then, what is that? H zone, where is it? So this part is H zone. C, where is it? In between the two. So this one is H zone. D is the I band. D is the I band. This one is called as I band. I have to practice it, then only you will get the idea. Okay. Right. This one is very, very important. Evolution. Last part is this one. Okay. Just to see it. Very, very important. The following diagram identify the correct match of the type of natural selection. Natural selection. Listen here. In this diagrammatically, this one is called as distributive. Distributive. Already double peak is there. Just imagine. Okay. So others are not, it will come. Okay. So exactly this only matched. Okay. A, B, C like that. A indicative directional natural selection? No. B indicates the stabilized natural selection? No. C indicate the distributive natural selection? Yes. C indicate the direct natural selection? No. So which one is the correct option? Only they asked. So the correct option is C. It is diagrammatical question, my dear student. It is also direct question. Okay. Go to the next one. See this one. See the diagram. A means stabilizing selection. So this one. Second one is direct selection. Third one is distributive selection. Then only you will get the two types of peak. See here, two peak forms. Go to the next one. Which of the following statement is correct about the hormone of the pregnant female? Pregnant female. Just imagine. Pregnant female. Okay. Which one is the correct one? Just to see the first one. Okay. HPL. Human prolactin hormone. Yes. Human chorionic gonadotropin hormone. Yes. Relaxation. Yes. Secreted only during pregnancy. Yes. This only secreted by the pregnancy time. Relaxation, estrogen, progesterone secreted only during the pregnancy. No. Here estrogen, progesterone, it is not related to the pregnancy. Another one. HPL, prolactin, progesterone, prolactin after pregnancy, not during the pregnancy. Okay. Progesterone exactly only the during. No, it will not there. HCG, estrogen. Estrogen, it will not come. Cortisol, it will not come. Secreted only during pregnancy. No. Which one is the correct answer? A is there. See that HPL, HCG, relaxin. Relaxin is for the attraction, contraction during the time of pregnancy. Okay, that is very, very important. So the 73, the first option is the correct one, remaining or wrong. So this is very, very important. This time we may expect NEET question 2023. Go to the next one. See this one. First one is correct. Other three are wrong. Next one is. See, it is estimated that more than dash percentage of the world livestock is dash and dash. However, it is surprising to note that the contribution to the world farm production is only D percentage. Identify the correct option of fill in the blank A, B, C, and D. World livestock means what happened now. Two things is very, very important. Which one you know? India and China. India and China, where is it? India and America, they told, isn't it? India and America, it will not come. America and Denmark, it will not come. America and China, it will not come. The comparison between the India and China only. So, first one is 70, second one is India, third one is China, and 25%. Here, India. More than India, how many percentage is there? 70, sorry, here the 70%, here the India, and then China, and then here 25%. Okay. This is, we may expect in this year, we may expect. Okay, go to the next one. India and China. Next, the most accepted line of descent in human evolution. Imagine, my dear, this is very, very important. Which is the correct option? Australopithecus, Ramapithecus comes first. So here, okay. Then Homo. So this will not come, isn't it? This will not come. This will not come. Okay. Ramapithecus, Homo habilis. No, Homo habilis, it will not come. Homo habilis not. Homo erectus comes first. Okay. So it will not come. Australopithecus first comes. Those it will not come. So the second one is the correct option. So correct options: Homo erectus, Homo habilis, Homo sapiens. See here, erectus, habilis, sapien. EHS is the correct option, my dear. Don't forget. This is very, very important. Definitely the question, it will be there in this part. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. See the Ramapithecus, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. Which one you know? So sorry now. So third one. Sorry. Extremely sorry. The third one is the correct one. Ramapithecus only it comes first. First I told little confusion. Okay. Homo habilis and Homo erectus and also Homo sapiens. Okay. Here which one is the correct answer? Third one is the correct option. Ramapithecus, Homo habilis, Argus, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. See here. Or his. Okay. It's the correct order of evolution in human. Descent in human. Okay. Descent. Next one. See this. This is the correct option. Already know what a figure shows. Okay. Just to see the diagram, you can easily identify the answer. Adaptive radiation in placenta mammal of Australia? No. Marsupial of Australia. Isn't it? Marsupial. Adaptive radiation, which one you know? Two it will come. So what are they know? One is called as bougainvillea. Isn't it? Bougainvillea. Isn't it? Bougainvillea. Another one is cucumber. Okay, cucumber. Convergent evolution. How it will be there now? Just to see it. The stem, the leaves also there. The axil leaf, there is a thorn. Okay, axil leaves, there is a thorn is there. Same one is also present where in a cucumber. Cucumber, what will happen? It will be modified in the form of tendrils. Okay, this is considered. This is considered cucumber. Here the axil. So it will become to this one. So it will not like that. Here, which one is the correct option? Adaptive radiation and marsupial Australia. This is the correct option. Okay, my dear. Go to the next one. See the option. Marsupial radiation. Diagram. This is the option. Answer. Okay. These are the same. These Tasmanian wool and tiger and blender anteater marsupial rate. Like that it will come. All are marsupial radiation only. Okay. In Australia, particularly. See that lower there is Australia changes. Okay. Select the wrong statement. Select the broad statement. The recognized sequence of E-core is, see the 5' to 3', 3' to 5'. This restriction endonuclear enzyme cut the strand DNA from center of the polyandrip site and produce non-sticky end. No, it will not produce non-sticky end. It produces sticky end. Okay. It is produce a sticky end. Here non-sticky end. So the answer is wrong. So this is the correct option. Automatically it will come. The separate DNA fragment in the agarose cell, yes, definitely, can be visualized only after staining a DNA with ethidium bromide, yes, followed by UV rays. The correct one. Both plasmid and bacteriophage have the ability to replicate with bacterial cell and independent of the control of chromosome DNA. Yes, it is also correct one. The last one, biolistic, is a method of gene transfer. Yes, biolistic is a method of gene transfer. Okay, madam. So these three are very, very important. These three are very important. First one is the wrong answer. Okay. So keep in your mind these three. The question definitely will be there in this part. Definitely NEET. Any one of the option, this part, these are the right question, the right question it will be asked. Very, very important. 2023. Because important point, this point. See, the recognized sequence of V query is the wrong statement. Others are right. Okay. Okay, this one. Which of the following is correct matches? Which of the statement of correct matches? Here the ADA deficiency. Where it comes ADA deficiency? Emphysema, insulin, insect resistance. Insect resistance automatically in our bird. How it will be the insect resistance? Insect resistance. Where is that? 4 it will go. 4 is 4. So where is the 4 is 4? The first 2 is the option. The answer it will be within these two only. Which one? Yeah. These two only. Okay. So the second one, see that emphysema. The emphysema is which one, Emphysema is which one is there? No. See that emphysema is also related to which one, antitrypsin. Antitrypsin. Yeah. So insulin. Insulin. Which one, Third one. C. Insulin is what is that? Diabetes mellitus, directly related. Insective resistance, directly related. So which one is the correct option? A is automatically comes to gene therapy. Remaining is lost. So ADA is a gene therapy and emphysema is a antitrypsin. So the option is which one? First one is the correct option. Okay, my dear student. That's all about today class, my dear student. Remaining things we will see the next class. Thank you so much for the participation. Bye. Take care, my dear.
Chocolate.
Thank you, ma'am.